Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise for those of you that don't know me yet. And today I have for you a really quick, easy, everyday makeup routine. It literally takes 5 minutes. This is what I do whenever I woke up late for work and I was rushing and wanted to get out the door. Also, I've been wearing it in this quarantine days because I feel like when I get up and I actually do my makeup, I am very much more productive than when I just stay in bed. This look is also perfect for the summer because it literally takes like 5 products to do it and you're out the door. And it's also really nice for back to school. As always, if you want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and the red button down below. And like this video if you like to see more quick and easy makeup tutorials. And without further ado, and less talking, let's just jump right into it. And to make it much more fun, I'm gonna set up a timer for 5 minutes just so you guys can see how fast and how easy this makeup look is. And you know, it's funnier. And I'm setting up that timer for 5 minutes. So let's start it. Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna start with foundation. What I do with my foundation, I usually like wearing tinted moisturizers. Right now I don't have any, so I'm gonna mix a moisturizer and a foundation just to get that little bit of coverage into my face without it being really, really heavy. Just mix it in with your beauty blender and just start blending into your face. Have all my dark spots that I need to cover. Make sure I'm going over my eyes just because I have all the veins in my eyes and you can see that. Alright, now with my concealer, I'm just gonna go over the problem areas. I'm using the Dior concealer. I'm just gonna do a little line of my eyes just to elongate my face a little more. God, a little bit in here. One side to my nose. Just going up. I saw this trick on TikTok. It just makes your face look so much better. Oh my god, I have 2 minutes left. And now that that's all that's all blended, I'm just gonna where's my powder? Oh my god, I'm just gonna set with powder really quickly. Then I'm just gonna take my Fenty bronzer and a big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna bronze. Blush. We love blush to bring a little bit more color to your face. Take your favorite highlighter just to bring a little shine to your face. A little bit of shine on your face. Never enough. And I like using that same highlighter as my shadow. Oh my god, I have literally a minute left. I cannot.
But you did this for what?
Can't be super detailed with my mascara today, but you understand? Lower lashes. And your upper lashes. I like bringing it closer just so it could give me. A little bit more of, you know, a little bit more dimension. Alright, and then last but not least, I take a little bit of gloss. Oh my god. I love this Fenty gloss, it's so good. So I am putting on this gloss. Oh my god, what else? I think I'm done. Just gonna go over with the blush brush a little more. There we go. We're done. And I have 9 seconds to spare. So pretty good. Oh my god. I'm waiting. Wait. That was super fun, but Oh my god. Alright guys, that was super fun to rush, but this is the look. Literally takes 2 minutes. I didn't do my eyebrows, but if you do like doing your eyebrows, I feel like my eyebrows are already bushy. So if you like doing your eyebrows, I recommend you use a little bit of a brow gel. Look at my hair there. I feel like this look just helps you look more awake. It looks like you have something. I think it's pretty cute. I like going overboard with blush because, you know, e-girl style. And you can set it with your all-nighter spray or your setting spray. Alright guys, this is the complete look. I literally love this makeup look just because it's fast, it's easy, quick. You literally take 5 minutes to do it and you're out the door. And you're definitely gonna look put together. You can use this for school, you can use this for work. So guys, if you like this look, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. It was really fun to make this look today. This is a quick and easy video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.